Say goodbye to dust and particles in those hard-to-reach places. With this unique gel, cleaning intricate items in tight spaces becomes a breeze. Just press, peel, and witness the magic unfold. Imagine a mop that does the hard work for you. This isn't just any mop, it's the future of cleaning. With advanced nanotechnology, not only does it pick up more dirt and debris, but it also self-cleans. Every swipe leaves your floors spotless, and when you're done, it effortlessly cleans itself. It's time to make your cleaning routine truly magical. A deep clean is now just a spray away. This multi-purpose foam cleaner banishes grime and dirt like a charm, leaving my surfaces sparkling clean and looking brand new. Say goodbye to the hassle of toilet cleaning. Introducing a brush set designed for ease and efficiency. No more storing of dirty brushes, use and dispose. Each brush guarantees a spotless finish, transforming toilet cleaning into a breeze. Embrace the cleaner side of magic. Lastly, meet the game changer in floor cleaning. The telescopic handle allows you to reach difficult areas effortlessly, ensuring every corner shines.